Hi, my name's Sam, and today we're talking about the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Specifically, what does the footage look like from just a regular person's perspective if you're not out shooting action sports every day, if you're just considering it for making YouTube videos, is this a camera for you? That's what we're looking at. I went on vacation with this camera a couple months back, and so I wanted to put together some of the footage and some other footage just around the neighborhood or whatever, just to show you what kind of footage you can expect without putting a lot of extra effort in. Because most of us, I think, are just regular people trying to make better videos, and it's not all about the camera equipment. So this is reasonably priced, $350. It's a lot cheaper than a lot of DSLRs, and it's got the very wide view, which is great. But a couple caveats here. I'm in wide now, and you can already kind of tell just if you're looking at some of the straight lines on my house, they're kind of warped in the wide view. So they do have a linear view that punches in a little bit more and makes it a little bit more of a flat, straight perspective. But again, everything that you see in this video is shot on the GoPro Hero 8 Black using no other camera equipment and no other audio except for what's built into the camera. Take a look, let me know what you think in the comments, and that's it. And we are trying on our snorkels. How's it fit? Can't hear a thing you said, but you're good. Okay, so my thoughts. Camera, overall, great budget, entry-level camera. It's got 4K, it's got all kinds of specs that I'll put here on the screen. The camera can really do a lot. And at this price point, it's pretty hard to beat, especially with the stabilization features and some other stuff it's got going for it. You know, you really can't beat what GoPro's done in the camera space. If you want a DSLR that can really do some great work and autofocus and all the things that you are expecting, it costs quite a bit of money. So if you're looking for something in the budget end of the spectrum, a GoPro is definitely the way to go. That's just my personal opinion. Again, as a layperson, as a person that's not doing this full time, that just is kind of wanting to get their feet wet, here is a reasonable option for you. But again, if you haven't already, let me know what you think in the comments. Is this a camera that you could use on a daily basis? Is this a camera that you could use for your YouTube channel? Is this a camera that's, stands up to some other options out there? Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. And this cat here, he just needs to go. He's just no regard for what I'm doing here.